In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your lost AirPods headphones. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. To do that, I'm gonna use Find My app, which is by default pre-installed on any iPhone. To find it, we just need to swipe down and search for Find. That's how we can easily find that app. Now I'm gonna open it up. Then if we go right here to devices, we can check my current devices, the current iPhone and my AirPods. It shows us here just a case with two headphones inside of it. However, if we take them out of case and then it should show us here that now AirPods are outside of case, and then if we tap right here we can check the location of each AirPods separately. Here we got left one and here we got right one. That's how we can easily find our lost AirPods left and right. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.